Physics and basketball.
Hello. In this video, I will be discussing how physics relates to shooting a basketball.
Newton's second law states that the acceleration of an object is directly proportional to the net force on the object and indirectly proportional to the mass of the object. This law can be summarized in an equation of either F net equals ma or A equals F net over m. Knowing this equation, you can clearly see the relationship net force has with mass and acceleration. The net force of a basketball starts first and foremost with the forces surrounding the basketball. Concerning the forces on the basketball, there are several, and depending on where the basketball is in terms of positioning, they vary. In the air, forces include basic things such as gravity, air resistance, and the force that is inputted by the shooter. However, it also includes complicated mechanisms such as the Magnus force. The Magnus force is characterized by the unique backspin that is imparted on the basketball by the shooter. This backspin allows the ball to slow down in its ascent, causing a sort of cushion that makes it so the ball doesn't necessarily violently bounce off the backboard.
Back to gravity. The path of the basketball is a projectile motion, meaning it forms a parabola. When dealing with projectile motions in physics, we assume that air resistance is negligible, making the horizontal velocity of the basketball constant. Furthermore, the vertical motion of the ball is acted upon by acceleration due to gravity, which is negative 9.80 meters per second squared. Gravity pulling down on the object is what eventually brings the ball down and into the hoop. In this example, you can see a graph detailing the path of the shot basketball on the y-axis. When calculating the slope of the graph points, you are in reality finding the acceleration of the basketball, which turned out to be negative 9.018, startling close to the 9.80 that is the acceleration due to gravity. This is because it is the acceleration due to gravity that is pulling the ball back down to earth, and in this case, back into the basket.
Yeah.